Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another episode of Parties, PJs and Popcorns. Now bear with me guys, I'm still working on the intro and edits and everything, but I basically want this series to be a place where we can chill, play games, have fun, but talk about real life issues. Hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you in the next bit of the video.
This looks so nice! Today I am joined with the one, the only, Miss Bada! Why are we like this? We have Rachel. Rachel's actually been on one of the first episodes I did of this a few years ago, but she's here. A little clip over here. Insert the clip here.
To, you know, discover yourself and discover life. It's okay to say no to things. It's okay to see it like it's okay. Yeah, be more so. Do you know what I mean? Like you don't always have to please everyone.
And now we back and we better. And today our topic is toxic relationships. We're gonna get into some facts today. We're gonna get into the topic of toxic relationships. Tips tea. Before we get started, we are gonna play a game. So it's game time.
So we're going to play a game of how well do you know me. Bear in mind, domestic violence and toxic relationships is a very heavy issue, and we're going to be sharing our own personal experiences throughout the video. So we're going to play a game to warm things up first.
First question.
What college did Rachel go to?
Oh, let's see how well you know me. Do you know me, boo?
Yeah.
Do you know me?
What?
C2K! Fun fact, me and Rachel actually went to the same college.
Yeah.
We met in college, bruh.
Yeah, we knew about it. Hey. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Yeah, I heard about them girls still. Who was Mimi's litmus person last year?
So who gave me a gift, or who I gave a gift?
Oh, who you gave a gift?
Yeah.
I think it will have to be.
the bell.
Oh yeah, ring the bell. 3, 2, 1. No, I didn't have so long.
I just said that Adriana got something for me for litmus.
Oh yeah, she said that was so cool. Oh, I have no love. Oh yeah. And you had me, and I had me, and I had no love.
Triangle. Threesome. Not a real threesome, but you know what I mean. Just
How many brothers and sisters does Rachel have?
Girl, I know you. I know you.
if you get this wrong.
Mimi! 3, 2. Yes! 6, including her, because she's a twin.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 6 of us.
Because I always used to say that we both have 5 brothers, and but then technically you're a twin.
Twin,
so
yeah,
there's 6
yeah.
of you, like.
Yeah.
I know you.
Know me.
I know you.
You know me. Y'all don't know me. Y'all don't know me.
Okay, alright. Children.
Next question.
So I'm jumping on next.
What would Mimi say her best feature is?
Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be.
I feel like I know what you would pick, but it's not what I would pick. Okay, let's just do it. 3, 2.
She knows this is like her thighs.
Eyes.
Yeah!
That's what I said. I was like, yeah, eyes.
I knew, right?
What would Rachel say her best feature is?
Do I even know myself? Oh, okay.
How could if she don't know? How am I supposed to know?
Well, it was this?
I was thinking that.
Yeah.
What? That was too quick. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No, I was gonna say eyes, but I was like, no, it's not gonna be the same. I was gonna pick eyes, but I was like, she's not gonna pick the same because you wrote it so quick.
You think it's mine?
And that's what no, I definitely think it's your eyes. I think
Yeah.
But I thought you would have, because you got the little septum.
Yeah.
Like, I thought you would have picked your. Do you have the septum? I'm making this up. Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Go and get your eyes ain't mine.
Oh, thank you.
Use 3 words to describe Rachel's perfect guy.
Woo! You better get this right.
Yeah.
Let me start.
Bring it in, yeah, okay.
3 is too small, but
3
I'll
even.
start. Don't look at my.
Yeah, because this girl's open. Like, I feel like I'm open. There's only one
She is
criteria.
open.
There's only one criteria
Yeah.
that you have to have. It's just the one. Like,
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, over 6 foot.
Oh, he has to be tall.
He has to be tall.
Even though to anyone, it's
But
tall for
she's
her.
small.
If the minimum, it has to be 6 foot and over.
She's taking on the tall guys. Meanwhile, there's tall girls out there who need the 6 foot.
Do you know it's 6 foot and over? That's just like they can even be like not even the best looking one, but like, if they're over 6 foot, it's just like this.
This is madness.
It just makes me melt.
Name one hair color that Mimi has not done.
Oh, she's done a few. Really? I don't think you got it right.
No, I got it right.
Alright, let's try. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and yellow.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah.
Oh, I haven't done the yellow. Alright.
I know her.
Alright.
I know she's done everything. She's done purple, pink. I know blue, everything. Red. She's done everything. She's done everything.
Speaking about wigs, get your wigs by Charlotte Patron.
Yay! You gotta insert the picture. Should I sound effects?
Yeah. So this topic is about toxic relationships. Like I said before, we're gonna get into some things. Basically, toxic relationships are things that like people don't want to be in, but you can just find yourself in. You know, sometimes you'll be like, I can never. A guy could never, and then sometimes you just land yourself in the situation, and you're like, hi, how, who, where,
but
how?
you don't. A lot of the times you don't even see it until you're like out of the relationship, or it got to the point where it's just too toxic to the point where you just have to acknowledge it. You know what I mean? Like you just know it's not healthy. So
it happens.
We've been through it. I feel like 3 out of 4 girls go through it.
Yeah. Like, and people don't really talk about it as much because it's not like there's nothing to parade about or carry on your chest. Like, oh yeah, that's happened to me. But sometimes it is good to say, like, you know what, me too, I've been through it. And then just to make someone else, hey Mimi, I have been with this guy for almost 4 years, and I can honestly say he is the love of my life. He has cared for me and taken care of me in so many ways, more than my family have ever done, or friends.
That's a big statement.
So one day I wanted to go out with my friends. I started this new school where I met these new girls, and we started hanging out a lot more. They invited me out on a night out, and he refused to let me go. The outfits that I used to wear all the time, he's now become very suspicious and is always asking me to change before I leave the house. Recently, he put his hands on me. Yes, I know you would say just leave, but this guy has been my everything. I do not know what to do. He begs and apologizes and says he promises to never do it again, but right now I feel stuck. There's one thing that I promised myself, is that a guy would never hit me. Now it has happened. I am confused. P.S. Please keep this anonymous.
I'm not gonna lie, this triggered me.
Oh, it triggered a few girls. Do you know what? Yeah, I think we need to get into the topic of manipulation. Woo! Manipulation, men and manipulation. It even sounds kind of similar sometimes.
Manipulation.
Men can really manipulate a girl into thinking it's me, or maybe what I'm wearing is too much, or I only have him, so I have to really listen. Sis.
It's so, do you know what it is, yeah? It triggers me so much because I've been in that shoes, and a lot of girls have been in that shoes.
Yeah.
But it's easier. Like I was always those girls that I'm always that girl. I'm not gonna deny. I'm always that girl that was always giving like my friends tough love. Like, babe, that could never be me. Do you get what I mean? That could never be me.
Oh,
do you get what I mean?
Hey.
Like, until you're in it and you don't realize it, it's mad because like the thing is, it starts off with me. Say something for my example, like it starts with little things like you give him permission to go without you realizing. You're asking him to if I can go out. Why are you asking him? Sure, it's your mum and dad. And that's where it starts to progress, because you're giving the permission for him to then stand over you. Do you get what I mean? Have control over you.
That is so true. It starts off with little things like, oh, can I do this? Can I wear this? Can I do that? So it starts with these little gradual things that I feel like sometimes we turn a blind eye to and we don't want to see.
You know, also as well, one thing as well that I clocked from that. When you're with a guy and you're with him all the time, like 24/7, it comes to a thing where you're so used to him being around that without him, you kind of feel a bit like. So it's kind of, that's another way of manipulation as well, because you're so used to someone like the person's always there for you, present around you. You know what I mean? So when it comes to certain things, you start to like approve, like you have to ask for their approval. Do you know what I mean? Like for like a lot of things, like say example with me, like I was so used to being around. When I'm in a relationship, I'm always around the person.
Me too. Like us lot. Especially, I think out of all of us, especially me, you, and maybe Aaliyah.
Yeah.
When we're in a relationship, we are deep. Like when we are in a relationship, we are. You said you cut off your family and your friends and stuff. Sis, I don't know. Like sometimes that can be a form of manipulation. That's how much I wanted him in my life. That's how much I felt like he was the only one that I could. I was like, a life without him. What? I could never see a life.
Do you know what it is? I saw it differently to what you saw it as. Like, whereas me, I saw it as like, say example, my first ever toxic relationship. I saw it as like, I'm not gonna lie, at one point I didn't see life without him.
Yeah.
I legit did not see life. I think it was like, it got to the point where when I'm in a relationship, I feel like I'm complacent. Like I'm very like content. Do you get what I mean? And I just stay in the same level, and it's not good. I don't progress because I'm always investing all my energy and time into one person. Do you get what I mean? But when it comes to like relationships, like I'm so independent, but when I'm in a relationship, I'm not dependent, but I'm very
invested.
And that's one thing that a lot of girls, I think it's just an emotional thing. Like a lot of girls tend to attach themselves with a guy, emotionally bond themselves with a guy to the point where they feel like they can't do anything without the guy, or they need approval, or they need like this guy is everything to them.
I think allowing anyone to be your all, if it's not God,
if it's
like allowing anyone to be your all, and you put him above anything, like put anyone above, that's toxic. That is so dangerous. I did that.
And do you know what? Someone it was actually a subscriber that pointed out to me. When I wrote, I think it was an assumption, like when I did assumption, I asked for assumptions, someone was just like, you're so like, I feel like you put your boyfriend before God. I think you put your boyfriend before your family. And I was just like, well, you don't know me. You don't know me.
Where do you know me from?
Triggered me.
Where do you know me from?
You know how when it triggers you, that's how you know that there's some truth behind it.
There's some truth behind it.
There's some truth behind it.
People can see what you can't see.
Exactly.
Like my mum did not like my ex. Like she was like, Mimi, this love is too strong. Like what kind of love is this? Like you're crying. You're like, if you I'll have an argument. Like I feel like my life is over. I will run to. She was like, this is too much. It's a hard one because I get it. Like have you watched Greenleaf?
No, I haven't. No.
Have you watched the episode where the guy keeps hitting the girl, but every time he's like, oh, I'm so sorry, it's not me, it's just like I love you so much. And he keeps on hitting her and hitting her and hitting her. And it's like, and I'm looking at the girl and I'm thinking like, her mum was like, what did I break in my daughter? Because there's something must be broken in her to feel like it's okay for a man to hit then apologize. Hit then apologize. Hit then apologize.
Even for example, like I'm not gonna obviously like out, but like with my same and the situations that I went through. I was very like, even in the situation, I was the one who was apologetic. Do you get what I mean? And you were very protective. Whereas everyone else around me was just like, are you mad?
I think like this is a big step. You even saying it or just putting it out there, you kind of know something is up. Because even like for us, like if I said like, oh, by the way, like before we would protect the guy so much. Hey, we would protect so much to the point where like you'll even be lying to yourself. Like,
literally, you start believing that. Like,
and do you know how I knew you were done? Like, or how whenever I knew I was done as well when you said it. Like when you told me everything. This girl's done. She's done, because once you put it out there and you say everything,
there's no going back.
There's no going back. Because one, your good friend won't let you. Your families won't let you. Like you even saying this now is like at least you're like expressing how you feel.
That's a sign that you're moving on.
You're moving on, and you can definitely move on.
I'm not gonna lie, it's easier said than done, because when you're in love, there's a lot of things that you kind of oversee and you justify. My advice to you is let it go, and like from the fact that he's gone physical, no guy should put his hands on a female, and female shouldn't even put hands on guys.
But like we can acknowledge like both. Do you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Like, but a guy, especially like, I'm not being funny, this sounds biased, but especially guys, like come on, you can always restrain a girl.
Exactly.
You can always restrain a girl, but a girl shouldn't put a hand on a boy, put his hand on a boy, but a boy should also not put his hand on a girl. Period.
Period. Like period.
That's all. Period.
Like my advice to you is let that go, like let that whole relationship go. And now I've learned from my mistake. Just go for compatibility. Don't go for just the image. Don't go for just the looks. Obviously you have to go for the height, 6'1", but just don't go for the looks. But other than that, you can select one of your requirements, but then other than that, it's not. Make sure it's about compatibility. It's all about
also,
compatibility.
I feel like whenever you get out of a broken or toxic relationship, that's when you really start feeling and finding yourself. Like, those were the best times for me to like discover who I was. And like, hold on, I can actually be without this guy.
Do you know, I've been the happiest I've ever been.
That's what I was so happy when you walked in today. You were like, guys, I've been having fun. I was like, yes, this is glowing. Looking like herself. Like that's what I need to hear. I don't want to hear no stress. I don't want no making my friend's hair fall out. No, like
when you're out of it, just make sure you focus on yourself. Block him if that helps. Block him so he does no communication, because it's easy to go back. Like him, and just focus on you, babe.
Focus on you. Know your worth. Like literally, no one should ever treat like that. No one should ever put their hands on you. Nothing. You're worth more than that.
100%. And when you knock on a relationship, you'll find one nice guy that will come and just sit with your feet. I'm telling you now.
We said it first.
You say, is this what I settled for? Trust me.
So hopefully that helped. And also to any girls out there, I know we're jokey, we're like this, we joke around, we play around, but honestly, on all serious notes, that we've all gone through this. A lot of girls can watching this can relate to it. And if you are in a serious like domestic or abusive or toxic relationship, please get out of there. If actually like contact someone anonymously and just speak to them and like find ways out of that situation. Like all jokes aside, I know you joke around, we're being serious. This is a serious issue. These kind of emails, unfortunately, is not the one that I've just got in my inbox. I get so many like this. And it's disgusting to even think that exists. But if you do need help, please make sure you reach out and get some help. Get some help.
Girls, please get some help. Like, don't be silent.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Boohoo, for these cute pajamas.
I know.
The Charlotte's got hers as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sure to
smash the subscribe button, smash the likes, and turn on your notification just so you notified every time she uploads a new video. And
guys, I'll be leaving you Rachel's YouTube channel down below in the description box. Make sure you go over and subscribe to my girl.